It's a boat life video. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, my name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts, and in this video I'm going to show you my top 31 totes and purses that I use when you're out on the lake. That boat life, that lake life that you're living. I love using these totes and purses and accessories to help me organize the family stuff. So let's get to it. Now, for your convenience, I'm listing all the products down below in the description so you can quickly get to them and see the different colors that we have. As always, this channel aims for you to shop the awesome 31 catalog. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me out in the Google Docs down below if you want a catalog, or if you want a party, or if you have any generalized questions. If you want to know about all the fun things that are happening on this channel, wait till the very end of the little presentation here and I'll totally fill you in on all the details. So first and foremost is the cooler, okay? Actually, let's go and see how I organize my family's gear. So this is our round utility tote. You girls know I'm a big fan of this because it holds so much. One thing that I do know is that whenever I bring something out on the lake or the water, I like to use that stuff with the laminated lining. And during my presentations or during my videos, I kind of tell you what kind of material it is. So the round utility tote does have that laminated lining. So if water does get on here, it kind of slides off of it. So it's not waterproof, but more water resistant. And on the inside, as you can see that shiny lining. So in this bag, I have our towels. I have 2 pouches, okay? This one holds me and my husband's extra clothes, and then this one holds my 2 kids' clothes who are 6 and 8. So again, when you are out in the lake life or the boat life, make sure you travel light. So when I do extra clothes, it's literally a pair of shorts, a tank top, and underoos, okay? And the same goes for with the adults, all right? We come ready in our swim tops, so that's less things for us to carry onto the boat and to change, all right? As I mentioned, I do have towels in here. We are a party of 4, but I do have little ones, so we don't need that many towels. I did bring 3 towels. And then lastly in here, I do have the picnic mat, because sometimes we like to pull offshore and then we don't know what kind of terrain there is, and I always like to have a mat on here. Or sometimes even the boat, it actually gets super hot, then it's hot to sit on. I'll pull out the mat and the kids and I can always sit on it and just enjoy the sun. So again, this is the round utility tote. Check out our current prints that are down in the description, and a whole lot of things. It does have a pocket on the inside, so if you want to use this also as your purse, you can put your keys and stuff in there. And also it has a large pocket in the front, so if you are to personalize it, as you can see, it goes right to the front. All right, so that is how I kind of organize our towels, extra gear, and also extra change of clothes when they are all set and done swimming. All right, so next is snacks. Right, this is our roundabout cooler. I told you girls, this is in between. This is a large cooler. This is super cute. It's in the Davy Pop print. If you were to personalize it, it would go here, a large pocket right here. If you want to keep things that you don't want in the cooler out in the front, you can carry it as a handlebar or as a crossbody, and it totally adjusts. And this thing holds a ton of things. I'm talking about 1.5 gallons of milk. I'll check out the last videos that I'll link up above, and you can see how big this is. That have that leak lining, so you can actually put ice in this and it stay cold. So in the cooler we have drinks, water, we have chips and snacks, just all the things that we need for the daytime. And as you can see, there is plenty of space left. So again, I probably could have downsized the cooler, but I wanted to test out this guy, and I was super excited when I saw it in the spring summer lineup. And then lastly, yes, handsome, you need a drink? Okay. Here. You want a Capri Sun? Here's your Capri Sun. And then lastly, of course, because I'm a lady, I gotta have a purse, all right? And here is, well, again, you've heard me say one of my favorites, because again, that laminated lining on the inside and the out. Also with the boat, see, I don't even know, I think I'm a little bit crooked. If I am, I apologize. The boat is moving. But with the boat moving, I like to have it cinched up so when, you know, things do topple around, things don't go flying around. So I'm a big fan of the cinch, and then I can quickly open it, all right? This is the cinch utility tote. It does have a large pocket pocket in here. Usually I will keep my phone in here. I can access it easily. I do always bring an extra pouch just in case things come up and I have to like organize something. I have something in here. When the kids are done, I like to put all our wet things in a little small thermal. Okay, 31 doesn't have a water bag or a wet bag, so a thermal is a great second option. So this is one of our totally thermals, perfect size. All of our swim gear can fit in here, and then when they're all done, and I can stick it in there and it'll all be in one place. Next, I bring one of our glow up bags, which I love. This is the medium size, and it has the, what does it say? Every day is a fresh start. We have 3 sizes. This is the medium one. In here, I keep all our little accessories. So right now I have extra suntan lotion. The kids' goggles are in here. And then anything I don't want to get wet. So like my little wallet, I will put in here, like for that contains my fishing license. I will put in there so if it doesn't get wet, but I know it's in there. I do have my mommy kit. You girls know this is the Get Creative Clear Couch. This has all the mommy stuff in here. I have wet ones, I have extra sunscreen, I have SPF lip balm, I have bandages, I have alcohol wipes, I have probably extra mask just in case we forget. I literally use this little kit to go from purse to purse, so I just literally pull it out and I put it in this one. And then I have my water bottle because you always have to stay hydrated. And then lastly, mommy has a mini thermal in here. This is great because for my snacks, we do have the clear clip pouches, which would be a great section option. Again, all of these items are that clear laminated canvas so that if it does get wet, I'm not totally going crazy. I'm like, don't get wet. And then lastly, what I have here is my All About the Benjamins, okay? Thinking, why did I bring this? But you know, I don't want to leave it in the car, so I bring it with me, all right? So all of this goes into this cinch bag. This is, I would consider like my purse. And when we're in the boat, it's literally like at the foot of my bed or at the foot of my seat, so that if something happens or if I need something to get a hold of something, it's right there. Those are my top favorites when you're doing the lake life, boat life, all that fun stuff on the water, out for the summer. All the products are linked in the description down below. Again, if you're loving anything that you're seeing, don't forget to get in on my monthly mystery hostess. I try to reach for 500 so you get access to double the rewards, meaning double everything, all right? And of course, when you're shopping with me in June, you will get in on Rockstar's June giveaway. And don't forget that in the month of June, we're having, is it the Share the Sunrise, Share the Sunset? Basically, there is a joining opportunity on all the 31 perks, and you know, if you have questions, reach out to me. I can totally answer those. And we do have an incentive. When you join and get any kit, you immediately get a $31 credit, meaning you can purchase something that is not in the kit. And then lastly, if you want to do any kind of partying, let me know or reach out to your consultant. You can always do a party of one where you can get all the rewards to yourself. Facebook party, online party, all kinds of parties. We could totally brainstorm and I can totally work with you. Join me Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, where you go live with me and all the other bag babes in this awesome community, and we chit chat about all the fun things about 31 and what's happening for the week. That day is your day during the Q&A, where you girls get to take over the platform and ask me questions and go over personalization ideas and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, if you haven't yet, subscribe. If you're loving the vibe in this tribe, become part of our Bag Babe family and check out these awesome playlists that I have for you. And I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the sun with my family. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!